Hey everyone, Steve here from Game Time Canadian Cooking, and here's my go-to recipe for Canadian grouse, gizzards, and hearts. I've been hunting grouse for about 10 years, and this is the first year I decided to keep the gizzards and hearts from the birds I harvested. Depending on your harvest, you can have a great solo meal or a wonderful appetizer for a group. The best part about this recipe is that it's easy and fun to do over an open fire. First, clean your gizzards and hearts with water. Once clean, spend some time removing the crop from the gizzard as well as the rough interior lining. You can do this by delicately slicing through the gizzard meat until you reach the tougher lining inside. Then just pull apart with your thumbs. Give it one more clean and set it aside. Get some chicken stock going in a pot, enough to cover your meat. Add your meat, stir, and top up with water on occasion over the next 2 to 3 hours while you enjoy the fire. Once the meat is fork tender, you are ready for the final cook. Prepare a dredge for the meat with 2 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Take each piece of meat and coat it with the dredge. Put it aside and get ready to fry. Heat up a cast iron pan and get your fat up to temp. I'm using a combination of beef tallow and bacon fat, but use whatever you have handy. Put each piece in the oil and rotate until each side is brown and crispy. This should only take a few minutes each piece. It's time to enjoy. The meat is tender, flavorful, and crispy. I hope you get to try this recipe out someday, and if you do, have an extra bite for me.